Welcome to this guided meditation from Meditation Escapes. This session is specially designed to help you ease the feelings of social anxiety. We'll work on calming your mind, building your confidence in social interactions, and fostering a sense of inner peace that you can carry with you. To start, find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. You can either sit or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Gently close your eyes and let your body begin to unwind. Allow any tension to start to melt away as you bring your focus inward, leaving the outside world behind for a few moments. Let's begin with your breath. Take a long, slow inhale through your nose, letting your belly expand. And now a full, unhurried exhale through your mouth. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of relaxation and calm. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, to your heart space. Imagine a warm, gentle light beginning to glow in this area. This light is filled with acceptance, kindness, and a soothing energy. Feel this warm light expanding with each breath, filling your entire chest and bringing a sense of comfort to any feelings of unease or fear. See this light as a source of your own inner strength and calm. Visualize this comforting light spreading from your heart up to your throat and into your face, softening your jaw and your expression. Picture it dissolving any tension related to being seen or judged. As this feeling of inner warmth and calm grows, we'll reinforce it with some affirmations. You can repeat them silently in your mind or whisper them aloud after me. I am worthy of connection and belonging. I release the fear of judgment and embrace my authentic self. I trust myself in social situations. I radiate a calm and welcoming energy to others. Let these powerful words and the feelings they evoke settle into your being. Rest in this state of quiet confidence for a moment. Now let's set an intention. Picture yourself in a social setting, perhaps with a small group of people. See yourself feeling at ease, grounded and present. Visualize yourself engaging with others with a sense of calm and confidence. Imagine these interactions flowing with ease. Hold this image for a few moments, feeling grateful for your growing ability to navigate social situations with peace. It's time to slowly and gently bring your awareness back to the room. Start by wiggling your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this sense of inner calm, self-acceptance, and quiet confidence with you as you move through your day. Remember that this peaceful feeling is always within you. Take a moment to fully return to your surroundings. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this meditation. If this session was helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, Meditation Escapes. This helps us create more content to support your journey to relaxation and well-being. May you move forward with a greater sense of ease and confidence in yourself. Till next time.